Hi, I'm Heather DeHoyas, and I'm here in Expert Village to show you how to make a homecoming mum. Okay, we're going to need ribbon. Sometimes you can use 2 colors or 3. It just depends what kind of colors your school is or what kind you're making. A mixed kind. You're going to get them like this. Make sure they're the same length. And you don't want them too short unless you can't fold. Cut them. And you're going to hold them like this. And you're going to fold like you're making a fish. After we're done folding them like a fishy or a cone, whatever you prefer, I like to put them on the backing of the circle.